Howdy, folks! Another tutorial video for your pleasure. So I'm going to be going over how to use the Google Forms. So Google Forms is a way for us to. I want that little highlighter. Where's that? I want that. Nothing. Okay. Oh, there it is. All right. So Google Forms is a way that we use to take quizzes online. Now, when you click on it, it should be like a purple tab. So, like Unit 1 PreTest, that's the first Google form that you're going to be taking. And so, what that looks like is it'll pop up. Usually, there's a picture or it's purple in the background. That's the standard one. It says a time test of 15 minutes. But obviously, if we're not in the classroom, then no one's clocking you. You can take your time. Now, before we start, a pretest means that you don't know this information. So this is before we've learned anything. So if you get to some problems that you're unsure of, don't freak out. Just do your best. Take your time. But when you're taking a regular test, a post test, if it's not pre, it's being graded. So anytime something says required, it's in red, you have to answer that question. It's kind of hard to see sometimes because it's a little red star. So like this question right here, there's a little red star that says it's required, meaning it won't let you turn in the test unless you have completed it. The next part is you have to put in your email. So I've got several emails here saved in order to complete this test. So I put in my Habersham email. Yours should already be filled in if you are taking this, if you're taking this for the first time. And then under name, mine just popped up because it knew that from my email. But you need to put your name. You don't have to put your first and last name because it will record that. But if you want to, it definitely helps us teachers. So then you just go through the test. So what is the value of the boxed in digit? So I'm not gonna pick any answers. I'm just gonna pick random answers. Okay. So you need to take your time and go through each one and read each question carefully. I'm just picking random ones to show you what it'll look like. Just typing in random stuff. So you can see in these ones that say they tell you what to do, subtract, you got to work those out. Once again, I'm just putting in random answers. Now, we use the pretest to help us make groups to see where you're at and what you know. And we use the post test to give grades. So don't just click through these. If you go really fast, if you're just guessing, especially if it's just you only get one chance at it, that's your grade. You're stuck with that. So a lot of kids, they want to get done with it. They want to finish quickly. So they do exactly what I'm doing right now, which is click random answers. I'm just putting answers in. Like I said, random stuff. So don't copy mine because I can guarantee you some of them I'm putting in wrong on purpose. Okay, so once you're done and you have successfully filled in all the ones that are red starred, let's pretend I forgot one. So I'm going to delete this right here. All right. So it should pop up. It'll turn red. It says this is a required question. That means if you haven't done it, it won't let you turn it in. So like I said, take your best guess if you're unsure. Once you get done, you can hit submit. So it'll take you to this screen, okay? And it says, thanks and good job. You can view your score. So this is a pretest, like I said, and I was putting in a lot of random answers. So it'll take me to this, and it'll show me all the ones I got right, and then all the red ones I got wrong. So this test, you only get one chance at it. So I only got 2 questions right on this. So if 2 out of 16. So if looking at this from a teacher standpoint, like this says to me that this student needs a lot of support and needs some help in math. So a pretest isn't for a grade, but it does show us where you're at in math. So when you take this pretest, take your time. When you take your post-test, take your time, because it is something that teachers look at and we keep track of. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again here soon.